Dear colleagues and my dear lovable children, in the premises of MKDP Public School, on the very first day of your new session 2025-26. At the same time, I congratulate all the students who have been promoted to next year. Now, I expect from all of you that from the very first day, from today only, you should make a strategy. You should make a plan, a routine, so that you can excel in your academics. You can do very well. Only one strategy I want to share with you that you have to do, which is very, very important for all of you. You know, there are 4 skills: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Which one should be kept at the top? You tell me. Which one should be kept at the top? Listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Which one? Listening. It is listening. When you are taught in the classes, when the teachers explain any topic on their subjects, you should listen attentively. You should be very much attentive. Because when you listen carefully, you will understand the topic. And nobody can check you to get minimum 60% marks in your subjects. If you listen carefully, the main thing is that listening. The fact is that your mind gets diverted when the teacher explains in the classroom. Sometimes I visit the classes and I take the classes also, and I ask which topic you were taught. Some of the students are unable to explain or name the topic, which topic they have been taught. So, everybody, I want to tell you that you listen very carefully. No need to go anywhere. You can take the help of your friends and your teachers. Nothing is difficult. No topic is difficult. The topic becomes difficult when we are unable to understand the thing. And when you will solve it, it becomes easy. You give emphasis on the topic which you think that this is very, very difficult. Second thing, self-study. Whatever you are taught in the classroom, go to your home and the same topic should be revised by you of all the subjects. So if you will make routine from the first day, how much time you should spend on your studies, you will do very well. You are the creator and you are the destroyer. You can create yourself, you can destroy yourself. You know your strength, you know your weaknesses. Everybody knows. After writing the examination, one can say, I will get that percentage of marks. So it is up to you. You have to think about yourself, where you are going, on which path you are walking, which path you have chosen. It is all up to you. In the past experience, I have seen some of the students, the same set of students, they come out from their classes in the name of going to the washroom, they roam in the corridor, or they spend time in the washroom. Stop this habit. This habit must be stopped for your benefit. Are you understanding, everybody? For your benefit, I am telling you, you can make yourself, you can mar yourself. So, now take this new academic session as a challenge that you have to do very well in all the subjects. Okay? Thank you.